Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up Shopify markets for international selling. So if you want to sell your products to people in other countries, Shopify markets can help you do that from one place. You can choose which countries you want to sell to, set up the money people will see, choose the language, check your shipping, and make sure your store is ready for buyers outside your own country. I'm going to keep this very simple so you can follow along step by step. Step 1. Go to Shopify Markets. First, log in to your Shopify admin. Once you are inside your Shopify dashboard, look at the left side menu. From there, go to Markets. This is the place where Shopify lets you manage the areas where you want to sell. You may already see your main market there. This is usually your home country or the country where your store is based. You may also see other markets that Shopify has already added for you. Don't worry if it looks a little confusing at first. We're just going to go through it slowly. Step 2. Check your main market. Before adding a new country, check your main market first. Click on your main market and look at the settings. This is where you can see which country is already included. For example, if your store is based in the United States, your main market may be the United States. If your store is based in Canada, your main market may be Canada. This main market is important because it is the main area your store is already selling to. Make sure this part is correct before moving to other countries. Now, go back to the Markets page. Look for the option to add a market. Click on it. Now you can give this market a name. You can name it by country, like United Kingdom, Australia, Germany, or Canada. You can also name it by area, like Europe, Asia, or international. If you are just starting, it is better to keep it simple. Pick one country first instead of adding too many countries at the same time. This makes it easier to check your prices, shipping, and store settings. Step 5. Check the currency. Next, check the money setting for that market. This is where you decide what money your customers will see when they visit your store. For example, people in the United Kingdom may want to see prices in pounds. People in Australia may want to see prices in Australian dollars. People in Europe may want to see prices in euros. If your store can show the local money, it can make shopping easier for your customers. They don't need to guess the price. They can see the price in a way they understand. So check this part carefully before moving on. And that's it. So that is how you set up Shopify markets for international selling. You start by going to Markets, checking your main market, adding a new country, setting up the money, checking your prices, checking shipping, previewing everything, and then making the market active. Take your time with each step and make sure everything is clear for your customers. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.